This building might look a little familiar, but even though it seemed like it would be a great idea for our family to be able to start something together, some things just weren't adding up. So coming in here, it looked like, dang, did it get ramshacked? No, I'm just playing, y'all. As you can see, some stuff done disappeared for sure. Look, dang, they took that poker table right up out of here, y'all. Okay, they said we is not leaving that. So you probably thinking like, well, why are y'all here? We actually got word that we would be able to come get a metal rack because they didn't want it. So I really think that metal rack was about right here. Remember my mother dragged it? What you doing, Ma? Guess what, fam? It ain't even here.
No, I just went around looking like, I don't see no rack. I see this little ladder right here. This might be cool to use for inspections and stuff like that, but
they probably grabbed that baby up like, thank you.
Very much.
So,
other than that, over here, it is a nice industrial freezer back there, but I ain't got no spot. That's a nice freezer. I wonder if it worked. It's still plugged in. Other than that, it's just like heaters. Hey, look, what's the name spreader here? Fertilizer spreader. That'd be cool. They got some salt spreaders.
Are those metal chairs?
No, that's wood.
One thing for sure, they got some scrap.
Yeah. The roof had issues here, and when we actually came here to open the door for the appraiser, it was water just pouring in the bathrooms. In here, all of this flooring in here was soaking wet, and the water was actually turned off. So it's something going on with this shutoff valve right here, because that water turned off, but if you come in here and see, it's still leaking out that faucet. So that shutoff valve was wrong. It needed to be replaced. I ain't gonna lie, it was meant for us not to get this joint, but it seemed like they probably came back and repaired some of the fittings. Maybe I see some tape over there. I don't know if that ain't the right way. Maybe they just did some quick patches.
At this point, I don't know, y'all. I guess this is just an update to let y'all know we decided not to move forward.
Right, I grabbed a little hole right here.
Like, thank you.
I actually use this a lot when we doing concrete work. This is really good to spread gravel. So,
but we decided after doing our calculations, we came up with a number that might have made it make sense.
Yeah, which was around like 30,000 for real. They was asking for about 70, 60, 80,000.
They were asking 80.
And we like, hey, we'll take it off your hands for 30.
For example, the location, it's literally locked in by 2 car lots. Also, it doesn't even have its own parking, y'all. We would have had to make something happen behind here. And the potential it did have for parking across the street, let's just say, is a little confusing on how we would even make that work. It would have been a little bit risky where we would have needed for sure insurance.
It needs some work, and y'all know what we'll do to it.
So another thing about this building too, the roof was even leaking.
Yep, the roofing was peeled back up there, which it still is, so that's something they got to get fixed.
Yeah, so if you think about it, we would have had to make sure we were open-minded to doing plumbing,
even some
roofing, electrical. Oh, you scared? All the key things. Flooring up in this baby.
Put up
Clean
some walls.
out.
Like we was gonna take down a wall because we want this to be open and proportionate too.
Yeah.
Because we really could have split it into 2 and had a game room, but they can pay extra for.
Right.
They had access to. So I mean, the building it had potential, but one of the biggest things was like the parking.
Yes.
Like that street right there is a dangerous street that we try to cross, and so.
Yes, and to be honest, this is such a nice size building. I feel like not having a dependable parking area is kind of what sucks, because you won't even be able to utilize its full potential because people of course are going to take note like okay, I can't park over there. And the only way we could make up for that to me was to make it cheap. And it's like, that's cool and all, but I don't know, we could just find something else, something better. And the parking that was available was barely available because it said you can park on the street. It was like some weird hours.
Yeah, it's like afternoon, after business hours for real.
And not on the weekend or something. It was something crazy, y'all.
Right.
But yeah, y'all. So I guess we gonna take our little hole and then skedaddle.
Right.
To go do what else we need to do for today.
And we got a big ARTTT sitting outside, so we
Yes.
can go hop back up in that joint.
Right.
Y'all remember how they were driving on the street? Dang, they about to get in an accident.
Did y'all feel it?
Look, another unmarked
go.
car. And that was the police
And guess
driving
what?
crazy.
Something actually happened outside. Y'all saw that, fam? Sheesh, y'all. ARTTT out here sparkling. That's that star white, fam. Ain't it pretty? It is. Now let me see. Brought to you by Ty. Now we out of here. Check that out, fam.
Got a little nice vibe going on here.
Oh yeah.
Chilling under the rain. Watching some art life.
We just sat out here for a little bit, enjoyed us some soup. We actually had harvest lentil soup mixed with like a spinach dal lentil soup, and it was so good, y'all.
Really good.
We put some oyster crackers in there. That's gonna be our little fuel to get us going to finish up.
While the soup was pouring out and the other cups, man, it got the splattering and stuff. I got soup in my eyes still. And I really just want to make sure there ain't no soup splatters nowhere else around here. Cause the kids already got in and made a mess the first day.
Man.
They even had egg in the seat.
Man.
Junior, I don't know how. The roof up here, the stain on it, it's still something right here a little hard. Like, God, dang, I told them they gotta go get back in the old truck. Man, so we got, what, 2 more stores to hit?
Right. At this point, we're meal prepping. So we're buying all of our materials so we can go ahead and get ready for the hoarder house, y'all.
Yes.
We want to make sure there aren't any excuses. We've been buying pants back to back.
Man.
We've been getting like clothes that we need because our other clothes are super worn down or either shrunk or something, whatever.
Right.
But we're gearing up getting our clothes too, so we gotta do some exchanging and some returning.
Yes. Let's go finish our shopping. All right, fam. We got ARTTT all filled up with groceries. We back at the crib. Now we about to put this on up and we about to hop on live. So make sure y'all there. We go live every Sunday. Can't wait to hop on there and chop it up with y'all.